Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you a tutorial on how to crochet a perfect flat circle. So this is a very easy crochet project to make, and you can obviously make it bigger. So I will be giving instructions on how to make a larger circle if that is what you want. So as always, the free pattern is available on my blog. The link will be in the description box. And for this project I used chunky yarn, so I think this is Scheepjes Chunky Monkey yarn, and this is also known as bulky yarn in American terms. I will be linking all the materials in the description box too. You can use whichever yarn you prefer. Just make sure that you use the corresponding hook that's written on the packet of yarn that you will be using. I will be using a 6mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and without further ado I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. Okay, so to begin this tutorial you will be taking your yarn and making a slip knot like this. Pop your hook through and tighten. You are going to be chaining 4, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you will be slip stitching through the first chain that we made. So just go ahead and slip stitch to create a center, and we will be working our stitches inside this center. So now you are going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. And now we are going to be placing 13 more double crochets inside this center. So to create a double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the center, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. What I am going to be doing is sewing in my loose end from the beginning into the stitches of this first round, so that I can tighten the center at the end. So now we have 2 double crochets because this first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Just go ahead and place 12 more double crochets so that we have 14 double crochets in total all around for this first round. So just go ahead so that you have 14 double crochets in total. So I'll let you carry on and then I'll meet you back. Okay, so I've gone all the way around, So I've gone all the way around, and now I'm simply going to be slip stitching through the first chain 3 that we did. I've pulled on the center here gently on this loose end, and this has closed up the center. So now I am going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. Just go ahead and place another double crochet inside that same stitch. Okay, so now go into the next stitch with 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and again place 2 double crochets inside the next stitch, and again place 2 double crochets inside the next stitch, and continue placing 2 double crochets together until you reach the end of this round. Okay, so once you've gone all the way around with your stitches, once again just slip stitch to the first chain 3, and now for the next round, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. Go ahead and place another double crochet within this same stitch. Now go into the next stitch with just one double crochet, so just go ahead and place just one double crochet, and now just place 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, and now place 1 double crochet in this stitch, in the next stitch, and now place 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and just repeat this alternation of 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochets in the next stitch until you reach the end of this round. Okay, so we've gone all the way around, and I finished my last stitch with just 1 double crochet, slip stitch to this first chain 3, and for this round you should have 42 stitches. So if you have any doubt about whether your circle is flat or not, I'll invite you to count your stitches round after round to make sure that you have the right amount of stitches. Now for the next round, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Now place another double crochet inside that first stitch once again, and place just 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and once again just place 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now in the next stitch place 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and in the next double crochet place 1 double crochet, and in the next double crochet once again place a double crochet. So as you can see, we are placing our 14 double crochets per row, spacing them out evenly row after row. So I hope this pattern is making sense. So just alternate 2 double crochets together, 1 and 2 in one stitch, and then 1 double crochet on its own 2 times. So if you need more help, just go ahead and look at the free pattern, and I'll let you carry on this round, and I'll meet you back at the end of this round. Okay, so I've gone all the way around. As you can see, I finished on 2 double crochets on their own, meaning that I placed 1 double crochet in a stitch here, and then another double crochet in the stitch here. And now I'm going to be slip stitching to the chain 3, and this is what we have. Please forgive this, I've had to attach a new skein of yarn. So this is what we have. It's a really simple pattern. As you can see, we are just adding 14 double crochets per round, so it's very simple to understand. I'm going to stop here for the video tutorial. If you need more help, just go to my blog. The link is in the description box, where there will be the free written pattern, but I will explain the next row and the next row, so don't worry. So for the next row you will be chaining 3, and that will be your first double crochet. You will be placing another double crochet with that first stitch, creating 2 double crochets together in one stitch, and then you will be placing a double crochet on its own in the next stitch, once again a double crochet on its own in the next stitch, and then once again a double crochet on its own in the next stitch before placing 2 double crochets together in one stitch, and then alternate that pattern. And what you will understand about that pattern is that you will be placing a double crochet on its own extra per round. So for this round you will have 3 double crochets on their own, and then you will be placing 2 double crochets together, and then 3 double crochets on their own, and so on and so forth. And then the round after that, it will be 4 double crochets on their own, then 2 double crochets together, and then once again 4 double crochets on their own. And just from round to round, just add a double crochet on its own to what you are already crocheting. I hope this is making sense. And like I said, you are adding 14 double crochets per round. So I hope this makes sense. Let me know in the comments if that made sense. Like I said, once again, if you need more help, just rewind the video or check out the free pattern on my blog. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.